Hey, what's up? It's your favorite Ozarks Knucklehead here with my 2010 JK. Basically, if you turn the wheel back and forth and you're feeling clicking, here's one of the possible things that it could be. This is a 3.5-inch metal cloak Rock Sport Edition Game Changer lift kit. Brand new, and of course I took it wheeling right when I got it home. So this right here, track bar bracket. Bolt came loose, wallowed out the hole, and it made it loose where you, every time you steer, it was wiggling back and forth. So I'll just kind of show you a quick clip, get straight to it, of what I did to fix it. As you can see, there's a lot of play in that bolt, so what I did was measured the size of the hole compared to the size of the bolt. Didn't have any washers on me, so I went ahead and just cut a little chunk out of this square tubing I had laying around. Made sure it fit up there and was tight against the bolt. Welded it on, grinded it down just so it looked pretty because I got some booger ass welds on it. Spray painted it, put it all back together, and ended up being nice and snug. No more play in the steering, no more clicking. And then the back hole that the bolt actually goes through and then threads into a nut, that nut is welded onto a plate from the factory. Very unlikely that you're ever going to have just the front hole get wallowed out. It's 9 times out of 10 going to be both of them. So instead of going through all that, making a plate for the back and everything, I just welded that plate with the nut already attached to it straight to the back of the bracket. Welded it right in place. It's good and snug. No need for a second plate back there. Thanks for watching.